Welcome to France 2026, a deep dive into the top 5 urban ecosystems redefining livability, sustainability, and economic evolution. We're going beyond the cliches to see where the country is actually moving. The macro view. First, the big picture. Paris remains the undisputed economic outlier. But look at the sweet spot. Secondary cities like Bordeaux and Lyon are balancing high livability with mid-range costs. While Paris orbits the $6,000 plus monthly cost mark, cities like Nice and Marseille offer a Mediterranean lifestyle for significantly less. Paris, the green metamorphosis. Paris is undergoing a green metamorphosis. The goal? 50% planted area by 2030. Supported by a massive 1,000-kilometer bike lane network and a full e-bus fleet. Despite the high rents, it remains Europe's number 3 prospect for real estate investment, a true high-liquidity safe haven. Lyon, the smart hub. Lyon is a human-sized Paris. It's the European capital of smart tourism, blending 2,000 years of history with cutting-edge biotech hubs like Sanofi. With its high-speed rail connectivity and a global top 3 culinary ranking, Lyon is the ultimate gastronomic and tech fusion. Marseille, the Mediterranean Renaissance. Marseille is having a renaissance. Boasting over 300 days of sunshine, the city is doubling down on green space with the 480-hectare Parc des Allades project. With costs nearly half of what you'd find in Paris, Marseille offers a carbon-neutral future with a serious edge. Bordeaux, the elegant challenger. Bordeaux is the elegant challenger. It actually beat Paris to become the #1 food city, according to Atabula. It's not just about the wine, though 60% of vineyards are already eco-certified. It's about the vibe, chic, chill, and only 2 hours from Paris by TGV. Nice, the Riviera's green crown. Think Nice is just for luxury? Think again. It was ranked the #1 green city in 2025. From its carbon-neutral airport goals to a reforestation target of 1 tree per inhabitant by 2026, Nice is leading the charge in sustainable urban planning. Nomad spotlight, Montpellier. The wild card? Montpellier. It's the top-rated digital nomad destination, thanks to its young population, 25% are students, and the largest pedestrian zone in Europe. At roughly $715 a month, it's the Mediterranean dream for the remote workforce. The decision matrix. So, what's your vibe? Choose Paris for ambition, Marseille for edge, or Bordeaux for elegance. Whether you prioritize the job market, gastronomy, or nature, the French urban landscape has a specialized ecosystem for every lifestyle. Investment outlook. Finally, the bottom line for 2026. Green value is driving the market. A-rated homes are commanding premiums, while a solar boom is fueling appreciation in the Sunbelt properties of the South. The future of French real estate isn't just about location, it's about sustainability.